people, my ever blessed people, it's a pleasant, cool, or sunny morning here in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Jamaica. And I'll be doing a walking vlog in Spanish Town today, my people, and to show you some of the lifestyle that is here. Big up yourself. Big up. Oh yo, wildfire, pull over, enough love. My people, wildlife is in the house. Long time I not see them people, and the people, and I'm going to heal them up on my camera, you know. The wild family.
One ever blessed.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah,
Mrs. So now watch what me thing, you know. Mr. So no go up all Uncle Colors go shine up on yourself up there. But you don't know, say, me go one store and see a harrow. And as me see the harrow here, me look on wildlife. Run back outside to the vehicle when me go out and I go back to the vehicle. What do you think me see? One man I walk out of the blood sea place with the arrow. Hear me, what a team. Yo, me did broke, you know. Me tell them the truth, me did broke, but me don't buy the arrow for you for soon I shoot sitting, you know.
Yeah.
People, wildlife family in the place. So where need to look for, man?
Which one? 90s?
90s, man, where in there? Every time 90s I'm missing off and me carry on my G.
90s, their country, man.
Lord have mercy. Some of me ask you sitting now, when we are going to link up, brother, we can't wait too long, you know. You see when New Year's Day done, wild.
Right, through when New Year's.
Big up on yourself, my G.
Alright.
Respect turn up, you know. Yeah, man. Me not get the chance to watch you as often as me want. But my sister now watch me when I don't get the time to.
Yeah, man.
Wildlife family, my people. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself.
While you spoil me.
Oh, you mean catch and
That
eat?
is it. Catch and eat.
No, catch, cook and eat.
Catch, cook and eat.
Big up on yourself.
Catch, cook, clean and eat.
Wild. Big up. The people wanna say that it's in the street. Only on Spanish Town Highway. As you walk the street. As I said to you, my people, it will be beautiful things and places. I want to see them people there. Them support Ever Blessed. And Ever Blessed is appreciative of your support, my brothers. We're going to do some whole more link up. Can't wait to see that. And the hustlers is in the street here in Spanish Town, the people. And we're vlogging through. See how your hustling go? She have to run to everything. And she said right here. And when no one shout her, she run to this. It's an African princess. Yeah, man. That's what it is. Pick up yourself, the princess. Pick up yourself. You know, some vlogger in the street. You want to pick up yourself on the camera? Spanish Town bypass. Hustler, me people. Up. Real hustler in the street, and she a Rasta. If she take off the something off her head, you know she a Rasta. One real Rasta me I talk about. Big up yourself, my princess. Keep hustling, eh? Oh, you mean? That's how things happen on the people. Meet and greet. I don't think she did know that. I know for years, but I don't think she did know that. Ever Blessed is a vlogger. I'm vlogging the street. My people, the man sell donut and him sell juice. And if you notice, he's close to mainland. So when you drive through, stop and give him a support. So it worthwhile for running the street because you know easy out there. So the sun hot, my people. So just like how Ever Blessed I walk through, you know the sun and a showcase to you. That's how them have to do it. See, real hustlers. And yeah, I know it's not easy. It is just as it's no different from the person who walk or you see at the stoplight and they wipe your car glass. They have to burn in the sun. And as we walk the Spanish Town Highway, we have more hustlers in the place. So many people, yeah man. And something new will go on this way wherever they know about. There were machine keep running. Not too sure what work they're doing there now. But survival continues. And this gentleman here sell plants. He have plant down. Don't only have them up. You can just imagine if you go on one of them plants there. It's stress we then go through if you take them from up there and carry them down here to sell it to you. But anyway, he knows what he's doing. He have some here and he have some upstairs. I went to buy a coconut plant from him one time with people. And I was amazed to see the amount of plants that they have up there. And you have to come all the way down from the 1, 2, you have to come down 4 floor before you reach to the flat. And the mustard. Okay, man, so big up yourself, Kenny. Alright. We're still in progress as we traverse the street. I'll be going over to that side to see if they have. I need some 1-inch galvanized pipe. 1-inch galvanized pipe is rare. You hardly can find it. So we're right. Pick up yourself, G. Yeah, man. I have a place to walk through here. We walk in the street and showing you a sell tire. Some people, the man you sell used tire. So if you fall short and can't buy one new one, alright, so if you come and get it. And it is just across from mainland. Pick up yourself, Matty. We walk in. We walk through the camera and show you beautiful things around. You see that? Mainland hardware that. Mainland supermarket and hardware. Oh, amazing that would be. Church there. Yeah, man, that's what we do. Victoria, the beautiful things that Jamaica has to offer my people. So right now, today is Saturday. And after a funeral, them line out on a Saturday, my people. Most of them have made a record, them have a doctor. Music, no copyright. Funeral, big and long, my people. So on Saturday and Sunday, I saw the highway busy with them. Somebody drop out and I'll get. I will get late to rest. Definitely. I just I think so. People. We are in Oasis Plaza, KFC, and we have Courts lesson. So just give a juicy beef. I think I should have eat a juicy beef patty today. Yeah, man. Scotia. Yeah, man. Oh, go on. So my people, the journey continues inside Oasis Plaza. Yeah, my people, the music class in the Dagwan. And as we say, I am _Rupert, so when you hear music, him run away. I am Mara saying run away. So who is ever blessed, whoever blessed us, so run away. Because we're afraid of copyright and we have another thing going over the side over there, so we can't go too close because I don't want to run away from that either. Yeah, man. Brother Dougie out of Kenya, big up yourself. I got a big yo. Yeah, man. Wildlife family. It was good to see you, brothers. It's been a while. And we're going to link up soon enough, as we said that. We're going to the bush and go catch whatever on that. And we can find. And we'll clean them up and we'll cook them and we're going to eat them. And everybody will see it. Yeah, man. Sorry. Century 88. Popular Chinese store. I'm going to take a little walk inside there and show the people some of the things that they have to inside. Yeah. So we're still inside there. Oasis Plaza, walk through to the people and we'll show you. Like, share and subscribe. Leave sweet comment for bless my people, I would appreciate it. People. Inside there's a triple century. 18. And they have a whole lot of decoration and things inside there, so you know, so pretty, man. Boy. Wow, nothing nice. Oh, they have the upstairs. Whole lot of Christmas trees. Nice decorations. Oh no, how much one of these? Miss, can you tell the price of one of these? You working here? Okay. But they should have price on them. That's nice. Lot of decoration flowers. Oh, see them something here. I like the fact that they can do it. Really love some of these. Really would. Oh, we love some of this for our family gathering. But there is no price on them. We're looking for the price on these. Oh, this would be nice if I had some of these. Hi, how you doing? I'm a YouTuber vlogging. You mind being a camera? You worry about camera? Said I'm a YouTuber. Your husband?
No, I don't like it.
Okay. You don't like when people are black?
No.
Okay. But you don't mind if I follow you around?
Oh, yes.
Because of your beauty, I would follow you around. Well, I'm a YouTuber, so you can check out Everbless family, okay? Alright. Big up yourself, Princess. Nice things. Triple Century having here. Triple. No, Century 88. Remember I talk about Everbless, I miss Everbless a triple, but it's not triple, it is Century 88. Yeah man, I walk through them place and advertise to them. Some people, if any one of you watch this vlog and you see anything you like, you can come and shop. And when you come and shop and you go to the counter, you tell them say Everbless sell. What you say about that Princess? You working here? Okay. See all of the beauty they must have inside here, so. So take time and walk through my people. And this lady, so if you follow her around, but she have a subscribe my page, but she don't want her face to show. Pick up yourself, G? Yeah, man. Man a entertainer? Yep, man a entertainer? Okay. Just you know, tell us if you bust a tune on the vlog, guys, see? But we are promoting, we're not just promote ourselves and the people, we are promote beautiful things and places. Yeah, man, we're promoting. We're walking through my people. Yeah, man. Place nice. So nice. Princess in the city. Afternoon, my princess. Everbless song, I walk through. You want to say something to Everbless? You shop here all the time? Okay. So you find the store very interesting? Very interesting. So what are you shopping for today? Keep a party you're looking for? Igloo. Nice. So you're shopping for today? You're keeping children treat?
Just me.
Okay. Alright. Always have a blessed day. Happy New Year when it comes. And check out Everbless family. Everbless travels here. Alright. I walk to introduce myself in the everybody. Some people shy a camera right now. When they see camera, they dry up. No matter how bold they was, they dry up. They have a bag of things to say when the camera turn off, but when the camera turn on, different something. So I'm going to show you my people this little store inside Oasis Plaza. It's called Century 88. That's that one, I don't know. I don't know if anything strong again. People are shopping for various things. So walking through. I'm coming here for the people. Some people the walk continues inside Oasis Plaza. I walk through. Going out. A lot of furniture stores. Yeah. So it is, this place is, you could almost call this place, my people, a one-stop shop. You could stop on all the things that you want, you could get it inside you. Yeah, man. So I just saw inside you, so set up, you know. So we're walking through. There's a auto here. I'm gonna be checking on a battery for my truck. Yeah, I'm battery on my truck, a canna in. Start when you feel like you know start. So I know so I have to go dash for the battery now and rubbish. Dash for the park grass now grow. How the story on him. Amico Auto Parts. So yeah, sure. Oasis Plaza walk continues, my people. Just hoping that you've been watching and you've been liking what I'm showing you so far. I just inside of that other part, and I get a surprise inside here. I've known somebody who buy a battery for the car in Maypen, and that female said she buy a battery for 26,000. Only to find out that I can get a 12 plate battery right here for 18,000. What a big difference. So can get another 12 plate a different brand for 15,500.
On sale for $10,000.
What is up, play music, people? So now my destination is gonna be no, me go over.
For $15,000. All Nike sneakers Air Force
I think I
Jordans
should
on sale for $10,000.
Go over Oasis first, go over ILO first, I go eat a
Any
patty.
shirt, t-shirt,
I wonder which one of them is the first. So anyway, as me I walk the streets, let me complete my walking first and then go eat. I should eat first, make sure that I walk with my belly full. Ever bless you. Eat, I said things that right now. Walking through this plaza here. A showcase. Beautiful place and things. I saw. I same thing? No, two different things. Yeah, man, walking in the street. Yeah, man. And whatever blesses seeing, and that you know go sit on camera big up yourself. Yeah, man. Walking through. Juicy patties. Walk through the business so the people are approaching ILO shopping center. So now what's the business? What is the pumpkin? Come back. How much you pay for them pumpkin here? Yeah. You mind being on camera? You mind camera? Yeah. Never best family travel. Never best travels. How much you pay for them pumpkin here?
Pumpkin at 250.
250. I'll be buying when I come back. Easy load. You want to do somebody, give somebody direction that's where you can find it. And somebody
We're
thinks
right here, so at morning school, you know, Lime Street taxi stand.
Yeah.
We're right here, so with the marker.
and them tell so they have everything. Then so they
pumpkin, yam, scallion,
Yeah.
onions, cucumber,
yes.
chocho,
Yeah.
onion, garlic, all of them.
he might try to show him what he's trying to tell my people that he might hustle in the street and he might look forward for your full support. He's just close to the ILO shop.
And we have
shopping.
soup, buffalo,
You have soup? What kind of soup is that?
chicken.
Chicken soup? So what and what you put in there?
We have yam, dumpling,
How much you want for a medium size one?
yeah, 400.
You soon come back, my G. Now, who am summer come back, is it? Alright, my G. So many people know here. He say my hustler in the street. I want to see the box them come under ILO. Same time. The $2 fee for my people, then walk the street all night. I know they're tired. I see one female I get out of it. I say, alright. Security, big up yourself. Alright. So we're walking through my people. I'm gonna go inside of the ILO shopping center. Now go look out in the Western Union still, my people. So I'm go inside there. I go inside there. I go change $100. Change 100 US. And the girl decided to ask me 500 questions. I was wondering, so I asked her, why do we have to answer so much question to change $100. What is going on in the world? Crazy world! But Ever Bless I walk through and Ever Bless not crazy. Ever Bless is I show you how Spanish Town flexible. So we continue to walk the street like how we walk the street in a Florida, my people. So don't bother split the difference, because me did tell you already how the difference with Jamaica and Florida. Me tell you say, if we compare the country with road and landscape, Florida go outdo it by 10 times. But if you want beautiful sunshine and food and river and all of them, we are going to outdo Tampa, Florida, and Florida overall. Same 10 times, and no joke. And the vibe here in Jamaica is turned up by 10 times, because you can walk and stop and interact with anyone in the street and then vibe with you. But you can't do that in a Tampa. Everybody walk fast. No one does it. Donut man. Big up yourself. Donut man there. So take your time, G. Take your time. So we walk through. And we walk up on the inside, and so we don't know how we inside ever see. Big up yourself, CD. Alright. Inside it might be dark, you know, people, but we still have a walk through. We have a Christmas tree there. We have a phone shop right there. Now another thing to reveal to people, I can show you. A lot of time,
Ready now.
a lot of time with our foreigner, we believe that a lot of people believe that foreign is all that, family foreign cheaper than all you, and that's how it goes. Really and truly, and that's how it goes with people. So here I'm going to explain something to you. I had a phone, and Ever Bless bring the phone to a phone shop. The guy said if you give him $150, he fix a touch on the phone. And I just showed the same phone to a shop here, and the man said 13,000. Now, you can split the difference with people and see how wide the price is. Just check for me, without me telling you a lie. Spanish Town Shopping Center, guys. Yeah, same place we call Islo. I'm walking through. Sun hot. Everyone is doing the hustling, they say, CLO. Pick up yourself, princess. How much of them shots here? How much of them shots here, mommy? How much of them? Eh? So we continue to warm up people. Pick up yourself, mommy. The music continues again. Some people, I'm back where I was asking about the pumpkin earlier. And this my gentleman here, me have a nice question for him. Me people, me know the man a long time. And me go ask him this question. For all the years me know you, every time me pass, you have this quality pumpkin. And what you do something?
Plant them.
And you plant them?
Yeah.
And you make sure you say you making sure everything to keep the breed here.
Yes.
Because every time me buy pumpkin, and they always a drop with them. What's another?
I mean, I already have pumpkin.
Buy. How much pound is? 3 pounds. I buy 3 pounds my people. So you know what? I'm gonna make pumpkin juice. I'm gonna put some whole heap of things tonight. I'm gonna show you guys. No, should I show you? No, I'm gonna show you what I'm drinking now. So my people, in the meantime, as earlier on, you did say, me talk to this gentleman earlier on. This my people, one young entrepreneur Spanish. Come Jim, here you go walk. Because, yeah man, you have to walk with me man. So my people, you see them two youth here? Them a young entrepreneur in a Spanish Town. Them tell me, so them a go set them a set example. Them not follow. Alright, yeah, you say it to me. So, this one I sell soup and the one I sell juice. People, them will give you direction as to how we can support them. Where go down? You say your mother have a restaurant?
Yes.
You come say princess? Yeah man. So I walk with them people. The people, them that the taxi stand. Where them taxi run go? Line 3. Then the right way, Line 3 taxi the people. Alright. This is them restaurant. Them are showing me. Hi, how you doing? Yes, son? We call them entrepreneurs, them two here.
Yeah.
Earlier on, this one sell me soup and this one sell me juice. So me call them young entrepreneurs. And we are giving them a little promotion. So I just say your daddy taxi stand, Lime Tree taxi stand. So encourage somebody to come and buy from me.
You know, we have the best food right here, so my name is Cook Shop. Just ask this one Dixon or Miss Melissa.
Oh,
You can even ask to Ashley as well.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah.
And my people, they are my subscribers. And I see somebody else hide their face. A food she buy.
Yeah.
But if she continue to hide, she have to pay for your food and pay for my own. So many people see the restaurant there. So earlier on, the young entrepreneur say, when you come in the morning, you get breakfast, coffee, tea, anything you want, they're ready for it. So many people, the place busy. Alright. So ever bless people. When I see the young entrepreneurs, give them the full support of people. So you want number where say if somebody wants support somebody are coming in a town or so.
The number is 892-0383 or you can call us at 793-5628 as well.
The people, them right, them brilliant, give them the full support. Ever bless. I two subscribers same time. Pick up yourself. At the move.
And see we have our bartender right there.
Oh, she said she is a bartender. Bartender. If she, you know, say she a man would have called her bartender. You ever hear what the story is? So close to the restaurant, we can eat and have a drink same time. Oh, I say yes, I am the poker thing. I hear music play where I can go carry copyright. My friend, check out Everbless family. Everbless Travelers, one of them there. Big up yourself, and young entrepreneur. We up on the move and we pass you. She did the hide earlier on. She still around us, okay?
No.
Okay. Alright, we up on the move, yeah, me G? Big up yourself. See there. You get back, go back on the side of my people. Eh? No man, let me tell you. Everbless people. Thank you so much guys for joining.